everybody, this short video to help you for your first step on the 3D experience platform. So as you know, this is the native app platform. Okay, you need to connect to the web platform. So remember this web address here, and you can also go on your bottom right and click on the small icon 3D experience launcher. Okay. Here, very important, we got what we call a bookmark. So you can maximize this widget, and on the 3DX student, go on 3D part, and you got lots of document here. You can download on a right-click bearing block document. Okay, don't forget to minimize the widget. So you can swap to the native app now. So to open a new document, you've got two solutions. Or you click on the plus here on the top right, okay, to open a new document. So you got a new tab now. Or solution is to click on the compass here and to select your application. For example, the part design application. Okay, part design application, just one click, and you open a new tab with your application here. Here you've got the window. Here we got the specification tree, and on the bottom here you've got all the tools to design. You can play with this to get on one line or two lines. Okay. First tip: if you don't have the 3 axis here, you can click on View tab and select this one and activate all of this option. Okay, so document is there with all the dimension. Okay, so for example, for this design, we can start with the rectangle at the base. Okay, so the rectangle will be 20 times 65 millimeter. Okay, let's start. So different step. First step, I select the plane. Second step, I create a sketch. Okay, if you don't have the vertical horizontal in a good side, you can click on this small icon twice to get horizontal and vertical here. So you select the rectangle, click the first point on the origin, and then you draw a rough rectangle. Okay, then you can add constraint, I mean dimension. Okay, so it's 65 times, I don't remember, 20. Okay, so this line to this side here. So it's 20, sorry. So double click, you deselect this and you select double click here, so it's 20. Okay, so now you exit your application here, and you can create on the essential tab what we call a pad. Okay, say okay, and you can here you got different option. We will see this later, but you got dimension, and the height of the part will be 40. Okay, so 40 there. Okay, so you create your first 3D part. Okay, so now it's easy. You got different step to design the holes here. Take care, we got different diameter and different dimension here. 11 for the big one and through hole for the small one, diameter 11. Then we will design the cylinder outside. Okay, the big one, diameter 25 with a width of 3 millimeter. And at the end, last step will be a cylinder inside of 20 millimeter diameter. Alright, so to design, you select the face, sketch, you design, so you can do a zoom, you draw very roughly your cylinder. Okay, and now double click on the constraint and you add the dimension for everything. So you get dimension between the two center, dimension for the circle. For the last dimension, it's not necessary to calculate, can calculate for you. So use the bracket. So this dimension will be 65 minus 42 divided by 2. All right. Okay, and maybe one more from there to the edge. Okay, it will be 10. Okay, and that's 1, 2. All right, you are ready. You exit. Okay, and now we will use the pocket tool. Okay, here you can use up to next or up to last. Okay, and you got your holes. Okay, so one important tip: you right click on the first line to change the name, properties, and very important, you put your student number, okay, and underscore and the name of the part. Okay, so you can see it will change the name here and the name of the tab, and don't forget to save here. Just click here. All right, and everything would be saved on the cloud. Okay, so next step, the big holes here and here with a diameter of 11 and a depth of 11 millimeters. So now the cylinder outside here.